Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you 10 cozy games being released in 2025. Number 10 we have Gamorium. The release date is August 7th. This is a mining simulation and management game where you play as a mole running your grandma's gem shop. You can mine, refine and sell gems, upgrade your tools, and choose between time challenges or a cozy no-timer mode. You can customize your shop, explore deeper mines for rare finds, and become the ultimate gem curator. Number 9, Ritual of Raven. The release date is also August 7. This is a mystical farming sim where enchanted constructs help you grow herbs using a mystical card deck. You can befriend quirky villagers, explore and decorate both your home and the entire village. You can harness the moon's phases to power your magic, and unravel a whimsical story full of secrets. Number 8, Swords of the Sea. Release date August 19th. This is from the artist behind Journey and Abzu. The atmospheric surfing adventure lets you ride a hover sword through undulating landscapes, restore ecosystems, and even enjoy a meditative flow of movement. You can carve across sandy dunes, glacial peaks, and shimmering seas while performing tricks and uncovering an ancient mystery. Number 7, Make Room. Release date August 7th. This is a cozy sandbox design game with over 1,000 decor items. You can clean, build and decorate dioramas, create custom furniture, and design themed spaces for everything from cats to camper vans. You can personalize every detail, from background scenes to ambient sounds, and enjoy regular free updates with seasonal content. Number 6, Discounty. Release date unknown, but being released this year. This is a shopkeeping sim with RPG elements where you run a discount supermarket in a harbour town. You manage stock, design the layout, build community ties, and navigate small town drama. You can balance profits with local relationships, uncover secrets about the town, and decide whether you'll make allies or enemies. Number 5, Tiny Bookshop. Release date also August 7th. Leave everything behind to open a traveling seaside bookshop. Stock books for different customers, decorate your shop, and explore scenic towns while befriending locals. Every location brings new clientele, and your decor choices can unlock fresh mechanics and influence shoppers' moods. Number 4, Whisper of the House. Release date August 27th. This is a pixel art organizing and decorating game where you can clean, unpack, and arrange clients' homes, explore a hub town, and customize your own cozy base. Each job offers charming, interactive details, and your earnings can be spent on furnishing your own personal space. Number 3, Little Witch in the Woods. Release date September 4th. You can play as Ellie, an apprentice witch in a magical life sim. You can explore, gather ingredients, brew potions, befriend villagers, and care for cats in an expanded version of this once early access favorite. The 1.0 release adds new regions, quests, crafting options, and quality of life improvements. Number 2, Paralives. Release date December 8th. This is a highly anticipated life sim with advanced building tools, deep character customization, open world exploration, and fully customizable homes and personalities. You can design curved walls, split level floors, and unique furniture while guiding your parafolk through careers, relationships, and hobbies. It's a lot like The Sims 4. And number 1, Out and About. Release date August 7th. This is a foraging adventure where you'll learn to identify 100 plus real plants and fungi. You can cook recipes and help rebuild the storm-struck town of Portoello in an open world setting. Explore forests, beaches, and wetlands, befriend townsfolk, and use your herbal knowledge to aid the community. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!